Let us discuss about the shorthand transforms. These are nothing but the transform specific to the axis. Remove everything except the duration. So the first shorthand transform we are looking at is the rotation X. And I'm putting here 360 degrees. You can set whatever angles you wish to add. So this transform sets the rotation of an element around the x-axis to 360 degrees. The same with rotation Y. I'm putting here 360 degree. And this sets the rotation of an element around the y-axis to 360 degrees. Now let us look at skew X. Like rotation, here also we are adding the angle that we like to add. For the demonstration, I'm putting 45. This sets the skew angle of an element along the x-axis to 45 degrees. Same with skew Y. I'm setting here 45, which sets the skew angle of an element along the y-axis to 45 degrees. Now let us look at scale X. I'm putting here 3, which sets the scaling factor of an element along the x-axis to 3. And scale Y the same, but this will set the scaling factor of an element along the y-axis to 3.